It's Slade from Integrity Real Estate Nowra. I'm here today at number 10 Coral Gum Court. Behind me lies a beautifully renovated home. It's got 4 bedrooms, over 800 square metres of your own private land in a quiet cul-de-sac location. Follow me and don't miss this opportunity. Multiple living areas, an open plan layout, reverse cycle ducted air conditioning, downlights, ceiling fans throughout, a large side access complemented by a 10x7 shed, 10 Coral Gum Court. Welcome home.